Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to create a Gmail account. First, you have to open Chrome web browser and search Gmail create new account. The page shows many results related to creating a new Google account. Now, you have to click the result. It leads to the Google account help page. You guys click create a Google account. And right here, you guys can fill in your first name, last name, username, and password. Now for your password, it needs 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and/or symbols. If you want to show or hide the password, click the eyeball icon. So, let's just go next. Then choose the country and type your phone number to create a secure Gmail account. Once you guys do that, you will get a verification code in your mobile. Type that verification code in the box. Then just press verify. Now, you have verified. You can give recovery email ID, but that's optional. Just put your info about your birthday and gender. Then just go next. And skip this page. You guys go through the privacy and terms, then keep scrolling down. You can see I agree, click on I agree. After loading, your account is created. Now, you guys can see your account page. In that page, you can edit your personal information and also change your profile photo. Here you can edit security, people and sharing, payments, etc. Now, open a new tab and click Gmail. It automatically leads to your Gmail account. Here you guys can see welcome message from Google. Click next. And then choose your templates for your Gmail account. I choose default one. And press OK. Here, you can check your mails. In that mail Google gives information about them. You guys can make use of it. After read the message, go back. Sign out your Gmail account and then try to open your Gmail account by password. Click eyeball to see your password and type the password. Then click next. If you guys want to update the information to protect your account, make a change, otherwise, just press done. Finally, you signed in your Gmail account. Thank you guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.